What's going on, everyone? This is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. So today I just wanted to briefly tell you about this app that I recently downloaded that I learned from a friend of mine who's into crypto. So I just wanted to briefly just give a quick rundown of what I was able to learn in the past couple of days, and I'll just update you as I continue to research more about crypto and overall how to maneuver with the app Coinbase.
All right, so when you first get on the app, I'd like to add that my homeboy was the reason why I was able to get $10 of Bitcoin, because I bought $100 worth of Bitcoin. So that's kind of like a promotion that they have. As you can see, I'm just scrolling through here. There you can see the market is down. It goes up and down. It's a bit volatile, but you just got to keep up with trends and see Bitcoin at the top. There's quite a few types of cryptocurrency. If you go on there, you can check yourself. It even shows the top gainers as well, and the top losers on a day-to-day basis. And here we have the link to bank account section. Hopefully I'm not going too fast, but as you can see, I was here earlier. That's like the news that they have, as well as some quizzes you can take to get some cryptocurrencies. It's a small portion, but it's free, so I'd implore you when you first create it to get on there and complete a couple. As you can see, I've gained some crypto from answering some questions here. As you can see, the first questions was like Celo cryptocurrency and Filecoin. I felt like that was the most interesting part. Also, when you got any questions wrong, you could keep taking the questions until you get them right. So I enjoyed that as well. So that's one of the things I would look into, and it also educates you about the Filecoin, or whatever type of cryptocurrency. They give you some details, background around it, so you're getting educated about the crypto, and you receive free crypto from the company. And right here, you can just see the assortment of different crypto that I was able to acquire. And by the time I was done, I had about 167, 170 in total with the Bitcoin and the free crypto I was able to get. If you look over under the watch list, that's all of the different types of crypto that I have in my portfolio. And that's basically on each crypto. When I click on any one of those, that's just a crypto wallet that holds the money that I have in each cryptocurrency. But to bring it back full circle, this is where I initially got onto the app. The first thing I did was buy $100 worth of Bitcoin. So as you can see, that's the decimal value of how much crypto I was able to purchase. I would recommend, just like it with stocks or anything you're investing in, only use money that you can afford to lose. And that's all I could afford at the moment. I would also like to point out that there are some fees on the platform. Here I'll have the chart on their actual page so you can review. Please be advised that they have another feature, which is Coinbase Pro, and those fees are differently from what your standard account would comprise of. But back to Bitcoin. As you can see, that's the 100. Obviously it goes down after the fees, and the $10 additional I received from a referral from my friend because I signed up with his link. Oh, and also I received additional $5 of Bitcoin because I used my ID to verify myself through the account. So that was an additional perk. I also like to add that Bitcoin had hit an all-time high at the time of this initial video where I was navigating the app. So that was an added perk. I think that made my $100 increase in value as well. So that was interesting. All right, so the last thing I really want to mention is the borrowing aspect. Apparently, there's a part within the app where you use your Bitcoin, form of cryptocurrency, as collateral. I wouldn't use it, but you borrow cash using Bitcoin as your collateral, and you're able to basically borrow up to 30% of your Bitcoin balance, 20 million max, and it's a 1-year loan with an 8% APR. However, it continues to accrue interest on a daily basis, varying monthly. And if you do this while you better hope you don't miss any payments, as you can see right here. Alright, so this is where my portfolio is currently standing. Like I told you before, in my perspective, in my opinion, it's pretty volatile and I'm just getting the ropes. So I like where I'm at right now. I started with 100, but time will tell how far this goes. I appreciate you watching. I hope this content was helpful. If it was, give it a like, or you found it interesting. Like, comment, subscribe. This was pretty much just my experience navigating around with the app. I wouldn't say that I'm an expert. I'm just beginning, and hopefully I'll be able to get to intermediate to expert level on the understanding of crypto, because I do believe it's the future.
And once again, this is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. Take care.